Morning, man is about to launch himself on a trip to the moon.
1969, and man is about to land on the moon. From now on, for what will be a historic time,
The whole world has stopped. Man set out on the adventure to escape from his own planet and to set foot on a distant planet.
Hello there.
The lunar module cutting itself free from the command module, beginning the maneuvers with the place of